We'll now take a look at electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic waves consist of mutually perpendicular electric field and magnetic field oscillating perpendicular to the direction of travel of the wave, or to the direction of the wave. And more importantly, an electromagnetic wave do not require a medium for propagation, unlike in the case of sound waves. Let's take a look at why electromagnetic wave can be polarized. It can be polarized because the oscillation of the electric field is restricted to a plane. And when the electric field encounter molecules or your polaroids, the long molecule is able to whittle off the oscillation of the electric field, thereby blocking the electromagnetic wave from passing through. However, if the long molecule is orientated in this manner, then the electric field can continue to oscillate without any effects on its amplitude. Next, we want to highlight the fact that the speed of all electromagnetic wave is 3 × 10⁸ meter per second. And next, we'll run through some properties of electromagnetic wave. First, they all travel at the same speed of 3 × 10⁸ meter per second. They do not require a medium for travel, as explained earlier. They are able to undergo refraction, reflection, and diffraction, which we'll cover later. Finally, you need to have an idea of the wavelength of the 7 types of electromagnetic waves. Let us start off with the visible light. The visible light is between 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. And 700 nanometer is associated with red and 400 nanometer violet. For wavelength longer than 700 nanometer, you will go into the infrared radiation band. You will go into the infrared radiation. We'll be looking at 700 nanometer to 10⁻³ meter. From 10⁻³ to 0.1 meter, they belongs to the microwaves. And anything beyond a meter, so anything beyond 0.1 meter is radio waves. On the other extreme, wavelength less than 400 nanometer is your ultraviolet light. And your X-ray will begin from 10⁻11 to 10⁻8 meter, while your gamma ray will be looking at any wavelength less than 10⁻11.